Hey guys, welcome back. I want to thank you guys so much for liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. As I say all the time, the reason why I made this channel is to help you guys out when you guys are in the process of buying life insurance. Once a week, I like to drop a video that just gives you a little bit more information, to help you guys make the right decisions. Today's topic, what I'll be talking about is, should you buy life insurance for your children? And there are two reasons why you should definitely buy life insurance for your children. The number one reason is nobody is safe, from death. Just getting on Facebook, I see a lot of times where people are, losing their children, whether it's to violence or, just accidents, stuff like that. And a lot of people are, going towards, GoFundMe pages, selling plates at church, or, doing car washes, garage sales, stuff like that to raise money. And what we should all realize is of course, nobody wants to think about death, but at the same time, nobody is safe from death. So that's the number one reason, right? The number two reason is that if you buy insurance for your child, especially permanent life insurance, they can get a head start at investing. As you know, there's policies out there, just like whole life or universal life, to where as you pay your premiums, some of that money is being put in an attached account to your life insurance, to where it's building up interest every year. So me personally, I do have clients that, they don't even wait till the child is a year old, but they go ahead and just start, putting that permanent life insurance on their child. That way they basically get a 18-year head start at investing before anybody else. So like I said, the number one reason that you want to make sure you get life insurance on your child is, like I said, nobody is safe from death. It's better to have it than to not have it. And, to basically really depend on strangers to help you raise money, for that kind of situation. Number two, like I said, your child gets a head start at investing. If you're one of those parents that wants to see the best, for your child, why would you not want to, like I said, put them in a 18-year head start, you know what I'm saying? And when it does come to life insurance for children, there are two ways to do it. You as a parent can either buy your own life insurance as an adult, and you can attach your kid on there. And I want to say for most companies up until about 25, 26, they'll be covered on your policy. Now, if you do it that way, you're not really setting them up for a head start as investing. You're basically just making sure that their life is protected in the case of, anything happening. Right. But if you are a parent that is, trying to buy life insurance for just more than just the protection, then you want to buy a standalone policy for your child, whether it's a children's whole life policy. Mutual of Omaha does that. They also do universal life policies as well, but there are numerous companies that do universal life for children. But if I were you as a parent, I would definitely suggest going out and buying a standalone policy for your child. Now, the pricing is, it usually could be the same, as far as just adding them on one of your policies or doing it standalone. Usually it's about the same. Just depends on how you set your policy up. But just to go over, summarize the video, like I said, there's two ways for you to, buy life insurance for a child. And then there's two ways on why you should buy life insurance for a child, right? So first two ways, as far as, how do you go about it, is either buying a standalone policy or adding your child as an add-on to your policy. The two reasons why you want to do this is either because you want to protect them, you want to protect their life, in the case of a accident, anything like that, and then also to get them a head start at investing. The only difference between a children's whole life policy and an adult whole life policy, or, a universal life policy, it's just pretty much the premium. Since the child is, younger than 18, it's definitely going to be cheap. Personally, I would suggest that you guys look at universal life for children if you're looking at the investing portion, because with those policies, they have flexibility on premiums, which means that you could put more into the policy if you wanted to. But I want to thank you guys so much for liking and subscribing. Join me again next week as I drop another video that'll help you guys out with, your life insurance buying process. Again, please, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I would love to answer them. And then also in the comments, I will make sure to leave my website. If you are a parent out there looking to buy life insurance for your child, you can visit my website. You can set up a consultation, and then we can get you help out. So again, thank you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Thank you.